Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a math midterm. First, gather all your materials, including your syllabus, notes, and textbook. Identify the core topics and concepts that will be covered on the exam. Next, understand the exam's structure, such as whether it's multiple choice or problem solving, and how much time you'll have. Finally, create a study schedule, dedicating specific blocks of time to each area. This structured approach will help you feel more prepared and confident. Now, let's talk about practice. Don't just reread your notes, actively work through a variety of problems. Start with examples from your textbook and then move to homework assignments. It's crucial to understand the why behind each step, not just the how. If you find yourself stuck on a particular type of problem or concept, make a note of it. Reach out to your instructor or a tutor for help before the midterm. Consistent practice builds confidence. To make your study time more effective, try explaining difficult concepts out loud. This technique, often called the Feynman technique, helps solidify your understanding. You can also create flashcards for essential formulas, definitions, and theorems. These are great for quick review sessions. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps every 25 to 30 minutes. This helps keep your mind fresh and prevents mental fatigue, allowing for better information retention. On the day of your midterm, prioritize a good night's sleep. Being well-rested is crucial for clear thinking and problem solving. Eat a nutritious meal before the exam to maintain your energy levels. Arrive at the testing location early to settle in and avoid any last-minute rush. During the exam, read all instructions thoroughly before you begin. Manage your time effectively, perhaps by quickly scanning the entire test and allocating time to each section. Stay calm and confident.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.